Hi, so we will be seeing how we can use multiple tools for SEO, for AEO, and for GEO. Few of the tools which are paid, so I won't advise to try that in the starting, but most of the tools are free. So we can definitely try it out. So we will, you can write it down so that you don't forget it later. So firstly, we will be starting with SEO. So in the starting, like for SEO, what is the most important thing is Google Search Console. I'm doing it in a new account so that you learn it. So for this, the most important thing is you must be having a website. So what this Google Search Console do? So this is like it's a baseline. It helps to track clicks, like how many people have clicked on the links, on which page they have visited, what's the impression of it, and then if there is any indexing issues directly from the Google. So all these things, Google Search Console help us to know. So when we have to come to this directly, you can search to Google Search Console. But as I mentioned, first it is very important. You must be having a website. So once your website is ready, you can directly come to Google Search Console and click on Start Now, and then you have to enter the website name. So, for example, my website is Neo Digital. Okay, no, my website is definedigital.com. Okay, it's not available. We will try for .in. Okay, fine. Okay, so now you have to copy this and you have to paste it here. And you see here all your URL across all subdomains. It should be starting with www. It should be having HTTPS. So how we have to copy everything, and here you have to add www. Okay, and then you have to remove protocols and path. Okay, I have to remove this. Then click on continue. Here you have to verify it. You have to provide the password and all and everything. Okay, so for this, as I mentioned, you need website. So once you have the website, you have to copy all this and you have to paste it in your website. Once you paste your website, in your website, you have to click on the verify, and then later on you can get to know. And you can even take the note report of it, like how we take the ad report and all everything. Similarly, you can also take the reports here. Like this is the inside report. When you click on this and you search property. Okay. Now I have not done the verification, so it will not show. So I have to attach this. Okay. I have to attach this in my website. Okay. So the first tool is Google Search Console. Now the next tool which will be going ahead is Google Analytics. This is one of the most really very important tool for digital marketing. For this, I will be going to one website. I will simply go to one website, site.google.com. So I made a few websites for which I will be showing you. 1 minute. Let me search for the website. Okay, so for example, this is my website. Now, what Google Analytics will do is I will go to Google Analytics website, Google Analytics. Okay, So now I have been logged into Google Analytics. So what Google Analytics do is it helps us to measure the user behavior, like if there is any bounce rate or how much time this person has spent on the page. So for example, this is my website. Okay, okay, I will choose this website. 1 minute. Okay. So you can see here how the website will help me. So you can see engagement rate is this much. You can track the active user, how many active users are there on your website, how many people, how many events are there, what was the key event. So you can do all this. Now I will tell you how you can do it. So I will go to one new account and here I will search for Google Analytics, or else what I can do is I can click here on these 9 dots and here I can find Google Analytics. Okay, so okay, you see here, here is the Google Analytics. I will click onto that and I will click on start measuring. Here I will give the account name digital marketing and I will click on everything and then I will click on next. And then here I will give the property name. So what is the property? I will just give digital marketing, or I will just simply give DMA. Okay. Reporting time is India. Okay. Currency is INR. Okay. Then click on next, and then my company size is small and my company is registered for marketing. Okay, it's not coming. Advertising. Okay, agency. Okay, it's not coming. What I can see is okay, other business activity. Then I will click on next. What is my objective for doing the Google Analytics? I can click anything. I will click on all. Okay, I can click only on. Okay, so I will click on to and then create, and then here I will click for India, and here I will click OK, and I 1 minute, sorry. Okay, I will click on accept. I will just simply scroll it. Sorry, I will choose India and then I will scroll it. I do accept, I accept. Okay. Now I have to choose the platform, whether I need to track it on website, app, Android app or iPhone app. I will simply go on to the website and here I will paste my domain. So for example, my domain is okay. What I can do is I will take I will come here and here I will click on publish. Okay. I will copy the link and I will paste it over here. Okay. Okay. And then okay. Portfolio. Simply whatever the name I want, I can give you. Then I will click on create and continue. Okay. Now no data has been received. Why no data has been received? Because I have not attached the Google tag, right? So here is the Google tag. I have to attach this in my website. Okay. Now what I will do is I will copy this. So you can see copy and paste it in the code of every page of your website immediately after the head element. Do not add more than one Google tag manager in each page. Okay, I will copy this. I will come on to my website. Okay, and here you can see all the pages are there, right? I will click on embedded and then I will paste the code and then I will click on next. Okay, and then insert. Okay, actually, I don't know much about the website part. Okay, here is the analytics. Okay, instead of doing the Google Tag Manager, I will just copy the code. 1 minute, where is the code? Google Tag. Okay, here's the code. Okay, I have added the code. Done. And now site analytics are active. Now you can see down. Okay. Now I will click on test installation. So like if you don't know the coding part also still you can do. You can see like I wasn't aware of doing the Google like adding I wasn't aware of the coding side, but still you see I added the Google Analytics. But the thing is my website is belongs to google.com, like I don't have a proper domain. That's the reason I cannot do it. Okay, but this is how you can do it. Like okay, here you see my measurement ID is here. I will copy again and I will retry. Okay, and I will click on setting. So for every website there is a different. I will paste it over here and then I will click it next. I will come here and I will refresh or wait, I will okay, I will refresh. Okay, it's not happening because the website belongs to other platform. Like it belongs to Google. Like I don't have a proper domain name. That's the reason I won't be getting a proper result. You can see no data received from your website yet. But this is how you can do it. So Google Analytics is very important. Similarly, like Google Analytics, there are other analytics tools as well, like Adobe Analytics are there, but people mostly prefer Google Analytics. And like yeah, even apart from Adobe Analytics there are more, but Google Analytics is the main. So the next tool is Uber Suggest. I have already mentioned about Uber Suggest, but still I will tell you. Like we will go inside it. So what you will suggest to is for the SEO the most important thing is keywords. So what this do is it gives us the basic keyword research and domain overview, and this is completely only for the beginner. So if I have to I can enter a keyword or a website domain and then I can click on search, automatically I will get it. So I will go to define digital in. Okay, and then I will click on SEO research. Okay, and okay, I will click on your brand define digital. I will just enter it. Then okay, I will click the account, continue with Google. For some reason it is not happening. I don't know why. I just simply we have to fill whatever we want to. Okay, then click on add website. Okay, so see, I'm getting to know whatever the keywords they have used. I will click on skip. Do you want okay? No, just leave it. Okay. No. Okay. So with this website, what we can do is we can know about the AI search, like on which page my website is ranking, and then we can do the website audit. So for example, if I have to do the audit for define digital.in. I will just simply enter the website and then I will click on search. Okay, so this will take 10 minutes, and then here you can again you can find out the keywords. Uh, so like define digital.in and okay, add website and then okay, track one keyword and then okay, see you can see I have zero competitors. So this is how it says. Okay, and now if I want to add the competitors, I can add it. So I will add the competitor. Okay, yes. Okay, simply enter whatever the website URL, define digital.in, okay, under 750. It's such a lengthy process. Okay, done. So now here I can get to know all the details and all. It will take time to show, and it will tell me what SEO tools I have to add. So as you can see, create a new piece of content to rank for the keyword digital marketing classes in Mumbai. Okay, so I have to add a new blog or new content in which this keyword is mentioned. Once it is done, I will click on mark as done, and then I will click on start, and then it will show me like what next I can do is. So you can see here, I can do all these things, SEO, meta tag, social. Okay. So if you remember meta tag and title, even here also I can do is I can do LinkedIn ad, Facebook ad from here itself. I don't have to give it. I will just I will add the account, I will add the product, and then I will click on next. I will give the ad ID, and from here I can continue it. So Uber Suggest is one of the most important tool. Okay, you can use it for all the things mostly. Then the other tool which is important can be it is like Screaming Frog, SCREAMING frog. So what this do is, so it does the technical SEO audit, like it crawls to the website like a spider, and wherever the blue broken link will be there or anything missing tag will be there, it tells us like, okay, so is missing. You can add it or you can correct it. Basically, it's a tool which helps your website to improve it. I will log in into it. I will click on okay, I need an account. I will click on register. I will just do my okay. It doesn't like I don't have license yet, so I have to purchase the license here. Okay, so this is paid. So basically, what it helps to do is so like for example, if I have a website and that website link is broken or I cannot log in into that, like if I have a blog and I cannot log in into that blog because that blog link is broken or that blog is not attached. So this Screaming Frog will help to organize that everything. So okay, and then the next tool is Moz Pro. So even this is also paid. Okay, so what Moz Pro actually do is it helps the domain authority tracking and mostly for the local SEO. Okay, so again it is paid. I'm just saying that in case if when you get the client, so you can ask the money so that you are aware of the all the tools which you have to use. So if you want to do the domain authority or you want more of local SEO, then Moz Pro is nice. And then Answer the Public. This is another one tool. Okay, so what it helps, or till now, Uber suggest and all used to give all the keywords, long tail and short tails. But Answer the Public, what it does is it give us the long tail keywords, like whatever the people question it on Google or social media. So basically, this track it and also give like which tool will be nice for us. So if I enter define digital dot in and if I click on search, it will tell me what people are searching about about me. Okay, you can see it is loading. It will take a time. Meanwhile, if you come to Uber suggest, okay, we closed. Okay, it is here. AI search visibility. Okay, still buffering. Site audit. Okay, so you can see like it did the audit like Uber suggested the audit. So on page score is 79. It is great. Organic monthly traffic is 136 people. Organic keyword is 27, which is very low. Backlink is 275. So it is really nice. So you can see here like 55 people have crawled my pages and SEO discovered is 68 and 6 pages have low 17 pages have H1 means heading 1 28 pages has no meta description. So this is what is SEO audit looks like. And then you can see the load time. So my load time of the website is 4.73 second, but it is poor. What is good is to 0 second or 1 second is good. Okay, but in the mobile phone, you can see it takes 19 seconds to load, which is poor. So, so you can get to know here everything. Now, when I come to Answer the Public, you can see people mostly ask about social media or AI models. You see what and all the questions publics are asking. How to access the blogs or resource? How can I contact? So these and all, this is why Answer the Public is important. So o- once you get to know, okay, people are asking for this, you will start making the content according to the people. Okay, and so now we have covered Uber Suggest, Google Search Console, Google Analytics, Screaming Frog, Moz Pro, Answer the Public. Now the most advanced tool, which is really required for each and everyone, is SEMrush. So SEMrush is like an all-rounder. It is all-in-one powerhouse. Like it has deep competitor analysis, backlink audit. It can do. It can rank tracking. So, for example, I will choose India. Okay, and I will enter the again. So I'm choosing the website so that you understand. And okay, my God, again the same thing. Just choose anything and click on continue and click on continue. Backlinks lost from one domain reach out to owners to keep the traffic on. 40 broken pages are there. So I will click. This is paid actually. So I cannot access it, but you can see what it has sent me. Okay. So not only the website part, in SEMrush you can even also do social media part as well. So like you can see SEO visibility is 24, three mentions are there, site health is very poor, organic traffic is this, backlink is nice. Okay. You can find influencer, create SEO friendly content. Whatever is feasible, you can literally do it. Once you visit the website, you scroll it, you do by yourself, you will understand it. Just by watching, you won't get it. Okay. uh, it is paid. I won't advise you to pay for it, but you can see you can do social poster track. You can track your social media post as well, and then you can launch a campaign. You can do the web, okay, article generate. You can write, okay, dashboard is there like local SEO and all. Everything is there. So this is why SEMrush is important. And next is RFs. Even this is also very important. So what RFs do is like it gives us the industry standard for backlink analysis, or wherever the content gap is there, or if you need any captions and all, you can get it for this for free. Okay, but for the most of the things you have to pay here. Oh my god. Okay. You can click on product and you can see whichever will be free will be see site explorer, keyword explorer, rank tracker, insight, brand radar, social media manager. So all this you can do it. Now there are few things which you can do it for free. uh, SEO tools, AI writing, word count, these and all are the only free things you can do in RFs. But this is also very important. So apart from RFs, there is one clear scope. So what it does is it does the content optimization like which ensures that your text covers topics is cleared in this or not. As you can see, number one, content first SEO platform. So it makes the content according to the SEO. Which, okay, again, it is paid. So you just have to know the name so that once you join any company or you know any agency or someone who can pay for it, you can directly ask them for these tools. So like we have covered Google Search Console, Google Analytics for you was suggest, Screaming for Frog, then Moz Pro, and then Answer the Public, which is really very important. SEMrush important, RFs important, and Clear Scope also important. So all these tools, which I know is on for SEO, there are more multiple tools which I'm still not aware of it. So apart from SEO, now the next is AEO, answer engine optimization. So for that, schema.org, as I have previously also mentioned what is schema.org and how it is important. We did the schema and I have shown you, so I won't be going in depth of it. So it's just to remind, like it gives us the code, like whatever the things we are doing, it gives us the code and we can paste in the website, because Google don't understand our this English, it understand the coding language. And then there is another one website called as also asked. So it visualizes the people also asked tree like from Google. So it will show like how exactly questions are connected. So once I come onto this website, I will just simply ask the questions. I will ask about the digital marketing, and then I will choose IN India. Okay, ININD. It's here. City I will choose. Okay. And then I will click on search. Again, it requires credit, login or sign up. Okay, sign up. Okay, it is not free, it is completely paid. So we won't be going into that. And then, so similarly, how answer the public was there, it was showing us how the people, what and all the people question. So this website also ask.com, it shows how people ask, like it shows literally which answer has been searched for most of the time. And the next tool is phrase.io. So what this do is it's a AI tool and it helps the content briefs that specifically target questions, queries to help for the rank for your questions. So basically it helps to brief the question based queries. Just click on it, start ranking with phrase. Uh, okay, okay. So now can generate content which is SEO and GUU optimized article, which I have already mentioned why it is important, and you can see. Okay, so just click onto this and just just have to write the topic about digital marketing in Papua. So it's a country name. Then I will click on generate content. It will take a time. Meanwhile, we'll go to another tool, which is named as Surfer SEO. SURFER SEO. So what it do is it analyze the top ranking pages on the search engine and it tells you like exactly word count and then NLP terms like name and then address and place needed to be in like it is how wherever it's important. Okay, and then we'll go on to this and then we will click on get started now and again you will see what okay you can see it is doing its job. Okay, and then you will select anything and just click on finish and yeah, done. Okay, you can see the phrase.io has given us the uh, like what people actually search. So digital marketing in Papua Guinea, and these and all are the things people searches, and it has made the questions like this. Okay, and now it will be giving us the topic once I click on generate article. Okay, it will be giving us the article, sorry, not topic, and then we'll go to okay, it is paid, Surfer is paid, so no need to go. And then the next tool is YEXT. So it shows what it do is it does the knowledge graph management, like how many people on what time people have searched this, on what time the people are active, or on which platform they have used more Alexa or Siri they have used, or Google Map they have used, or Google Assistant they have used. Again, the tool is paid, but we'll see. Okay, so this is only for the company. It's not everyone can use it. And then we have market news. This is really very important, market news. So what it do is it's plan like it use the AI and it helps to find out the gaps between us like the between the company and between the com and the between the company and between the people. Okay, click on get started now. Okay, so again, I said it is for the company. So you just have to know the tool's name and what they actually do. Schema.org also asked phrase.io. Well, okay, okay. So for some reason it is not happening. We'll check later on. So we have got to know about schema.org, also asked phrase.io, Surfer SEO, Yext, and then Market News. And so these all the tools for AEO. Now for GEO, generative engine optimization, or geographical, the tools are very easy, which we already use. Perplexity.ai, ChatGPT, Gemini, and then we have one more thing called Right Sonic, where it is. Okay, so ChatGPT, Perplexity, Cloud, Lambda, Meta AI, Grok, Gemini, DeepSeek, these all are helpful for GEO. And then we have Goody.ai, Goody AI, and then we have, so I will take this only and I will show you example. So now the question is how Perplexity or Gemini can help you. You just have to just simply ask the questions to the Chat GPT or any AI tools. What are the best? Then whichever industry you want, like for example, digital marketing. So like you will just have to ask what are the best digital marketing tools, or what are the best um, salon near me. So same thing if I search it on. Um, okay, let's give a try. We'll search the same thing on each and every platform. First, we'll go on Chat GPT and then Cloud, Lambda, then Meta AI. Okay, so we'll be trying with this. Same question we'll be asking. Which is the best digital marketing agency for content creation in Bangalore in the year 2026 or in future? Okay, same question we'll be asking to all the AI tools. Okay, done. Perplexity also sent, Cloud also sent, Lambda, it's not loading, then we'll take Gemini. Okay, and then we'll take Meta. Now we'll see what answer. Okay, here are the okay, top digital marketing and content creation agency is Monaco. Okay, the first result they have given is Monaco. What I will do is choose any one. Okay, they have chosen digital iMac. Now let's see for, okay, choose any one. So we have to make our content according to the chat GPT perplexity. Okay, so content workshop emerges. They have not given any AI tools. Okay, so they have given Clutch Workshop Company, and for Cloudy they have given, okay, choose any one. For Gemini, okay, sorry, choose anyone, choose anyone. So you see, I'm asking to different AI, and they all are giving me different company name. They have given Wasp, e-business solution. Uh, ChatGPT gave me digital iMac. Perplexity gave me Clutch Workshop. Cloudy gave me Social Beat, and Gemini is still loading. Choose anyone. So this is for GEO, we have to use the AI tools only. There is no other tools which you have to use. I mean, there are there, but I don't want to like spend time or waste time on that. AI tools, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Cloudy, these all are the best. So use only these. Now we see for Gemini, it has given Langur Digital Agency. So this is how it is there. So now we have covered SEO, GEO, and AEO, everything. So here the SEO topics get completely closure.